Hello, PGW customers. My name is Mark. I'm the Director of Business Technologies with PGW. What I'd like to do is introduce you to our new Buysite. What you're looking at is our old Buysite. This will look very familiar to most of you who have used it in the past. Well, we've updated it into 2025 standards, and now this is what it looks like. It's much simpler, easier on the eyes, and easier to find things. For instance, if you want to find a windshield, you simply go up here, type in what you're looking for. In the drop-down, click on it. It will open up. It'll tell you when your next run is. It tells you that it's in stock. It has an image in case you need to see it, which we have recently added. It does that for sundries as well, including urethane, razor blades, and any other sundries that you buy from us. What's nice about this is if you buy these particular parts routinely, you can favorite the part and it will show up here in your favorites folder. So you don't have to search, you don't have to type in 1494, or you don't have to type in a particular urethane. It will always show up right there in your favorites file. We also have a new parts box. If you click on that, it will show you new parts that are coming out and what their particular NAGS part number is. You can find it here if we have it in inventory and order it from there. Also, if you do bread trucks, any items like that, you can find that in our utility vehicle specialty parts box. Here, for instance, we have Olson Morgan parts, we have Utilimaster parts, Aeromaster parts, and a variety of others. Finally, if you think that you need help in finding something in our new Buysite, simply click on the help button and you'll get these handy PowerPoint presentations which came up, which give you the detailed part information, help search using the dealer part number and how that works. Search using the sundries keyword, such as you can just type in urethane and it will show you all of the urethanes that come up. It gives you the quick view button and how that works, and orders and returns. We hope that you have found this helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local sales rep. Thanks very much.